Hello guys, today I have great news. I bought new camera, GoPro11 Black, and today I'm gonna show you the reveal of it and unboxing. Here we have the handler. This is a shirt holder. I'm not sure, but I think it is. I'm not sure, but this is also some holder for head or something. This is camera. Wait a second. Okay, I have opened this before, but what can I do? Also some holder, and this is also for this holder, and two batteries for camera. And here, if you can see, we can see the screws and a cable for charging. Here are some papers about the camera, of course. If you want to know something, have product questions, here is some, I don't know what it is, how to call it. My English is not very good, I'm sorry for that. Alright, I need to explain something that I forgot, but when you need to put this here, do this gum up and then click, okay, and then gum down, and also you can stick this to helmet or something, whatever. Camera has that. You need to open it and then put it on this, and screw with one screw, which you also can put this on the handler and put the camera here, of course. And that's all.